Mini USA and the John Cooper Works race team secured a podium finish this past weekend, February 6th to 7th, at the Sno Drift Rally in Atlanta, Michigan, the American Rally Association's ARA 2026 season opener. Competing on challenging, icy and snow-covered stages, the Mini John Cooper Works two-door, driven by Christian Perocarpi and Carlos Schrunder, in the open two-wheel drive class, O2WD, placed second in class and 10th overall in the national championship. In the limited four-wheel drive class, L4WD, driving the Mini John Cooper Works Countryman All 4, the team of Louis Perocarpi and Mark Wells secured fourth in class and 14th overall in the national championship. We're excited to be racing with Mini once again, this time making history with the brand's US debut in Rally, said Louis Perocarpi, team owner, LAP Motorsport. Both the John Cooper Works two-door and the John Cooper Works Countryman All were sure-footed on the snow-covered and icy stages, and we're looking forward to keeping the momentum going for the next rally event in March. Mini USA's campaign with the John Cooper Works race team at the ARA Rally marks a new, expanded direction for Mini's motorsports presence in North America, building on regional rally appearances in 2025 and reconnecting the brand with its legendary rally roots. New Mini models show competitive stripes. The two Mini vehicles competing in the 2026 ARA season include the John Cooper Works Countryman All 4 in the limited four-wheel drive class, L4WD, and the iconic Mini John Cooper Works two-door in the open two-wheel drive class, O2WD. With initial safety-oriented modifications and ARA classes that allow minimal modifications to factory components, Mini's core performance capabilities shine through. Building on Mini's adventurous spirit, the new 2026 Mini Countryman is larger, offering new levels of versatility and all-road capability in the compact SUV category. The Mini John Cooper Works two-door represents iconic appearance, size and performance, with a short wheelbase and go-kart handling. Dealer technicians join the pit crew. Adding a unique aspect to the program, the LAP Motorsports team will be supported by highly skilled technicians from the Mini dealer network, who will be given the exciting opportunity to serve as pit crew at select races throughout the season. To recognize top-performing technicians from within the dealer network, 4 Mini dealer technicians will be allowed to join the excitement and crew for each race alongside the LAP crew. This hands-on involvement brings Mini's retail network directly into the competition, reinforcing the brand's commitment to performance and the enthusiastic community that supports it. A heritage rooted in rally success. Mini has a storied rally history defined by the iconic Mini Cooper S, dominating the 1960s with its agile handling and surprising wins over more powerful cars. Key successes include victories in the Monte Carlo Rally in 1964, 1965, and 1967, and dominance in the 2000s with the Mini All 4 racing in the Dakar Rally. The classic Mini, originally designed to be both a space-efficient and fuel-efficient city car by Alec Isigonis, was transformed into a rally powerhouse by John Cooper. Its small size, front-wheel drive, go-kart handling allowed it to outperform much more powerful V8 rivals on tight, icy mountain passes. Mini and LAP Motorsports. Mini USA has had a long-standing relationship with LAP Motorsports, founded and operated by Louis Perocarpi. Since 2015, LAP Motorsports and Mini USA have collaborated with the Mini John Cooper Works race team, competing in IMSA ST and more recently in SRO and TC Americas classes of the World Challenge Series. With a winning legacy behind the wheel of minis on the track, LAP Motorsports and Mini USA have set their sights on new racing opportunities in rally, which offers the thrill of competition to new audiences while remaining authentic to Mini's motorsport heritage. The 2026 ARA season. The 2026 ARA season features a full competitive calendar of events from February through October. This high-performance racing event features 2- and 4-wheel drive, road-legal cars competing on snow and ice-covered sections of closed forest roads in a time-based format. The event attracts more than 50 competition cars each year from across the United States and Canada. The American Rally Association, ARA, is the largest rally organization in the United States and promotes the country's only cohesive, nationwide competition for the sport of stage rally. In addition to the recent Sno Drift Rally, the 2026 ARA National Championship season includes the following events. Rally in the 100-acre wood, March 13th to 14th, 2026, Salem/Potosi, Missouri. Olympus Rally, April 17th to 19th, 2026, Shelton, Washington. Southern Ohio Forest Rally, June 11th to 13th, 2026, Chillicothe, Ohio. Rally Colorado, July 18th to 19th, 2026, Rangeley, Colorado. Ojibwe Forests Rally, August 27th to 29th, 2026, Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. Over Mountain Rally, Tennessee, September 18th to 19th, 2026, Newport, Tennessee. Lake Superior Performance Rally, October 9th to 10th, 2026, Marquette, Michigan. To learn more about the ARA and its partners, go to www.americanrallyassociation.org. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice, and reviews.